Patience. We're not talking about instant gratification here. We're talking about the beauty of slow, natural processes working their magic. Remember that spa treatment we talked about earlier? Well, good things take time. Think of it like this. Would you rush a masterpiece painting? Of course not. You'd let each layer dry, carefully blend the colors, and allow the artwork to evolve over time. Our gardens are the same way. By prepping our gardens in winter, we're giving nature the time it needs to work its magic. Those natural amendments we talked about, they need time to break down and release their nutrients into the soil, and those beneficial microbes, they need time to multiply and create a thriving ecosystem. Trust me, the rewards of a well-prepped winter garden are well worth the wait. All right, garden detectives, remember that soil test we talked about? No need to be intimidated. It's not as scary as it sounds. Think of it as a checkup for your soil, like a visit to the doctor, but way less expensive, and you don't have to wait weeks for an appointment. You can find these handy kits at your local garden center or online. They usually come with simple instructions and everything you need to collect a soil sample. We're basically playing scientist in the garden, but without the crazy hair and bubbling beakers. Once you've got your kit, find a few different spots in your garden and collect a small amount of soil from each. Mix it all together in a bucket, and voila, you've got your sample ready to send off to the labs. Now that we've cracked the code on our soil tests, it's time to talk about giving our gardens the good stuff. And no, I'm not talking about those chemical-laden fertilizers you find at the store. We're going au naturel, folks. Mother Nature has provided us with a pantry full of amazing ingredients to nourish our soil and supercharge our plants. Think of it like this. We wouldn't survive on just bread and water, right? We need a variety of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients to thrive. Our plants are the same way. They crave a diverse diet of natural goodies to grow big, strong, and oh so delicious. So let's ditch those synthetic shortcuts and explore the wonderful world of natural soil amendments. First up on our natural amendment, adventure, compost. This magical concoction is often called black gold for a reason. It's like a nutrient-packed multivitamin for your soil. And the best part? You can easily make it at home with kitchen scraps and yard waste. Well, there you have it. Green thumbs. We've covered a lot of ground today, from soil testing to cover crops to cozy mulch. But the most important takeaway is this. Winter is not the time to neglect our gardens. It's the time to set the stage for a truly spectacular spring. By embracing the power of organic winter prep, we're not just growing plants, we're nurturing life, creating a haven for beneficial creatures, and ensuring a healthier planet for generations to come. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about harvesting those first juicy tomatoes, knowing you've played a part in every step of their journey, from soil to seed to table. So, as you bundle up this winter, remember that beneath the surface, a symphony of life is waiting to unfold in your garden. And it all starts with you. Happy gardening, everyone, and I'll see you in the spring.